Hey, what's going on, guys? Gonna make a quick video about if you have not received your third stimulus check. If you are single, $1,400, married, $2,800, with children, you get even more. First thing you're gonna do is this. I will have linked in the description box below. This is the official irs.gov website, coronavirus get my payment. You can do a Google search and type that in and the link will pop up, but I'll save you some time and the link will be in the description box below. But they've updated their system since the first check and I want to help you guys out. And I'm actually making this for one of my friends as well. So right here, when you're on the website, you want to click Get My Payment right here. Once you click on this, it will give you a warning that you're going into a government website. Okay, we're going to go ahead and go in here. Now, obviously, I'm not going to input my sensitive information, but right here, you will need your TIN or your social security number. You'll enter in your social security number right there, and then you want to type in your date of birth in this format, and then with street address, type in just the numbers in the street without the city, town, or state. If you do make an error, it'll tell you what you've made an error about, and then your postal code. And then once you enter all that information in, underneath my finger will say what bank account it's going into, and today's the 17th, and I actually checked my account, and it is already in my account. If you need to input your banking information, this is the page to do it on, but this is a great way to find out your payment status information. Again, with the updates they've done on this system over the last year since the first check, they've done a great job. So go to this website, input your banking information. I had to do that for my very first $1,200 stimulus check, even though my taxes that I did already had that inputted information. So if you have not received it or wondering where it is, check out that website link below on the IRS's website for your information. Thank you guys for watching. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.